What is up, guys? Today we're going to be getting ready to go to a mud park event this weekend. It's going to be a blast, but we do have to clean these things up. So the Honda Rancher, we went on a trail ride at our preacher's house this weekend, and it got a little muddy, and it hasn't really been washed in a while. So we're going to be washing it up, and we're going to be washing the Razor up. It was also on that same trail ride. Just got a little muddy, got stuff on the fenders. The inside is just a little dusty and stuff. And then the Outlander, we've been working on it for the past week. And just doing some maintenance stuff to it. Yeah, it's been sitting under the carport getting all dusty and stuff. But main thing, we're gonna get some help today from Super Clean. They sent us out a few products to test out and see how we like. Sent us a shirt and a hat, so that's pretty awesome. So big shout out to them. Alright, so let's get down to what they actually sent us. So they sent us this aerosol can of Super Clean. It's just pretty much the same stuff that comes in the bottle like that, but just in an aerosol can, so it's real nice. And then the regular Super Clean. If you don't know much about this stuff, it's pretty much like a degreaser. It's really good. I've used it before. Cleans up stuff really good. And I also got the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. So this one just foams up. It's supposed to get rid of grime and brake dust. Super good and super fast. And then they got the Super Clean foaming, so that's going to be cool. We'll have to put that in the foam cannon, hit all these and get them cleaned up. So let's get started. I think we're going to start with the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Alright, so let's get to using this stuff. So we got a really dirty Outlaw 29.5. Y'all clean stuff a lot, you know, if you spray this off, it's still going to be dirty when it gets dry. So let's try this out. Well, it says on the back to wait for 30 seconds and then wipe it off. Wash it off. So we'll hit those 30 seconds and then we'll spray it off, see what it did. Alright, so that's drying up. It looks to do a really good job. It's got it really clean. Let's move on to the next product. Alright, so the next thing we'll try out is going to be this Super Clean foaming. Now this stuff, you can spray it straight out the bottle and it'll kind of foam up a little bit. But we went ahead and put some in our foam cannon. We're going to hook it up to the pressure washer. We'll hit this can with it and get all that dust and just stuff that's been collecting under the carport for the past few weeks. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, there's nothing more fun than using a foam cleaner. But yeah, I just sprayed it on there a few seconds ago, so we're going to let it sit for a second, and then we'll get to spraying it off and see how good it cleaned it up. Alright, so as expected, that did really good with the foam cannon. I'll definitely be buying some more of that. That stuff really foamed up a lot and stayed on there really good. And definitely got it really nice and shiny looking. So we'll move on to the last product. Alright, so we got the super clean and an aerosol can. So we're gonna try this stuff out and see how it works out. We'll see what we can use it on. Alright, so we got these stock takeoff wheels off of a Polaris General. Bought these the other week. And they're a little dirty, so we'll get them cleaned up because we're going to be using these for some future videos I think y'all probably like. So let's get to cleaning these. So being in an aerosol can, this will work a lot easier than actually spraying it. Having to pump it up, wearing your muscles out. We'll get in there real good because these look like they were sitting for a minute. Let's clean all this grime off these things. So I bought these tires and apparently they've been sitting outside under dude's carport for a while. And they had a bunch of grime on them. You can just see it falling off with that spray, so it's some pretty good stuff. So we'll hit this thing with the pressure washer and clean these things off. Alright, so that did really good. It got all up in those little cracks to get all that grime and green looking stuff off of them. The tires look really good, but yeah, stay tuned on these tires. Let's just say they're not gonna last long. Alright, so I'm gonna get the rest of these cleaned up and y'all enjoy this little montage of me cleaning them.